Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top money-making skills you can learn online. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, ditch your 9 to 5, or just boost your income, these skills are in high demand and can be learned right from your laptop. We'll cover everything from digital marketing to coding, so stick around to find the perfect skill for you. Remember, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Let's get started. Digital marketing is the backbone of any online business. It's the essential framework that supports your online presence and drives your business forward. Think about it. How do companies reach customers these days? Through social media, email marketing, search engine optimization, and online advertising. These tools are crucial for building brand awareness and engaging with your audience. Learning digital marketing opens doors to countless opportunities, from freelance gigs to full-time marketing roles. Whether you want to work from home, in a bustling office, or as a digital nomad, the possibilities are endless. You can specialize in SEO, social media management, or paid advertising. Each of these areas offers unique challenges and rewards, allowing you to find your niche and excel in it. There are tons of free resources online, but a structured course can really accelerate your learning. These courses provide a clear path and expert guidance, helping you to master the skills you need. Think about platforms like Coursera, which offer a wide range of courses from top universities and companies. Udemy, with its vast library of courses on virtually any topic you can imagine, and Skillshare, known for its creative and entrepreneurial-focused classes. They offer in-depth courses taught by industry experts, often for a fraction of the cost of traditional education. Plus, you can learn at your own pace, which is a huge plus for busy people. Whether you're a full-time professional or a student, you can fit learning into your schedule. Mastering digital marketing can give you the edge in today's competitive job market. It equips you with the skills that employers are looking for, making you a valuable asset to any organization. Coding is like having a superpower in today's digital world. It allows you to create, innovate, and solve problems in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. With coding skills, you can build websites, develop apps, create software, and design digital experiences that can reach millions of users around the globe. You can even work in cutting-edge fields like data science and artificial intelligence, where you can analyze vast amounts of data and create intelligent systems that learn and adapt. The demand for skilled programmers is constantly growing, driven by the rapid pace of technological advancement and the increasing reliance on digital solutions. As a result, salaries in this field are incredibly competitive, often surpassing those in many other industries. Learning to code might seem intimidating at first, especially if you have no prior experience. However, there are so many resources available online to help you get started, from beginner-friendly tutorials to advanced courses. Interactive coding platforms like Code Academy and Free Code Camp offer hands-on learning experiences that make coding accessible and fun. Additionally, comprehensive courses on platforms like Udacity and edX provide in-depth knowledge and skills that can take you from a novice to a proficient coder. You can start with basic HTML and CSS, which are the building blocks of web development, and then work your way up to more complex and versatile languages like Python and JavaScript, which are widely used in various applications. Even a basic understanding of coding can significantly boost your earning potential and open up a world of opportunities in the tech industry. The world is becoming increasingly visual, and businesses need skilled graphic designers to create compelling visuals for their brands. Think logos, website designs, social media graphics, marketing materials. The list goes on. If you have a creative eye and a passion for design, this could be the perfect skill for you. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Creative Cloud offer powerful design tools and tutorials, and you can find tons of free design resources online. Building a strong portfolio is key in this field, so start by practicing and creating your own designs. You can even offer your services to local businesses or non-profits to gain experience. Chapter 4. Copywriting, the art of persuasive writing. Words have power. They can inspire, motivate, and even change the course of someone's life. In the world of business, words are a tool that can drive sales and build brands. Copywriting is the art of using words to persuade people to take action, whether it's buying a product, signing up for a service, or clicking on a link. It's about understanding your audience and crafting messages that resonate with them on a personal level. Good copywriters are in high demand, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for compelling copy that converts. They know that the right words can make a significant difference in their bottom line. You can learn copywriting through online courses, books, and by studying successful marketing campaigns. There are countless resources available to help you master this craft, from expert-led webinars to comprehensive guides. Practice writing different types of copy, from website content to sales emails, and focus on crafting clear, concise, and persuasive messages. The more you practice, the better you'll become at identifying what works and what doesn't. This is a skill that can be applied to so many different areas, from marketing and advertising to freelance writing and content creation. Whether you're working for a large corporation or running your own business, the ability to write persuasively is invaluable. It opens doors to numerous opportunities and can significantly enhance your career. Chapter 5. Data Analysis. Unlocking insights, driving decisions. Data is everywhere, and businesses need skilled analysts to make sense of it all. Data analysts collect, organize, and interpret data to help companies make better decisions. This field is booming, and learning data analysis can open doors to a wide range of industries. Online platforms like Coursera and DataCamp offer specialized data analysis courses, covering everything from data visualization to statistical modeling. You can learn programming languages like R and Python, which are essential for data analysis. This is a highly valuable skill that can significantly boost your earning potential. Chapter 6. Social media management, connecting brands with audiences. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience. Social media managers create and implement social media strategies, manage social media accounts, and engage with followers. This is a dynamic and fast-paced field, and if you enjoy social media and have strong communication skills, this could be a great fit for you. Many online platforms offer social media management courses, and you can also learn by experimenting with different social media platforms and strategies. Building a strong portfolio of successful social media campaigns can help you land your dream job. Chapter 7. Web development, building the digital world. The internet runs on websites, and web developers are the architects behind them. Learning web development allows you to build websites, create web applications, and work on the front end and back end of websites. This is a high-demand skill, and there are tons of online resources available to help you learn, from interactive coding platforms to comprehensive web development boot camps. You can start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then move on to more advanced frameworks and languages. Building a portfolio of websites you've created is essential for showcasing your skills to potential clients or employers. Chapter 8. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Mastering the art of visibility. Ever wonder how websites rank at the top of Google search results? That's where SEO comes in. SEO is the practice of optimizing websites to improve their visibility in search engine results pages. Learning SEO can help you drive more traffic to websites, increase brand visibility, and generate leads for businesses. There are many online resources available for learning SEO, including free courses, blog posts, and SEO tools. Staying up to date with the latest SEO trends and algorithm updates is crucial in this ever-evolving field. Chapter 9. Video editing, crafting compelling visual stories. Video content is king, and businesses need skilled video editors to create engaging videos for marketing, social media, and online courses. Learning video editing can open doors to a wide range of opportunities, from freelance gigs to in-house video editing roles. Software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro are industry standards, and you can find tons of online tutorials and courses to help you master these tools. Building a strong portfolio of video editing projects is key to showcasing your skills and attracting clients. Chapter 10. E-commerce, building your online empire. E-commerce is booming, and there's never been a better time to start an online store. Learning how to set up and manage an e-commerce business can give you the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to create online stores, and you can learn e-commerce marketing, product sourcing, and customer service through online courses and resources. Building a successful e-commerce business takes time and effort, but the potential rewards are huge. Outgrow your path to online income starts now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on boosting your income and achieving financial freedom. Remember, learning any of these skills takes time and dedication, but the payoff can be huge. Pick one that interests you, start learning, and take action. See you in the next video.